DW Nation. We out here doing the thing, living life, having a good time. Having a good day, living good, out of town. You know, we doing this, man. I know y'all see it. Got a switch on. Got a haircut. Doing good, man. Living good. Out here. Out of town. More videos, more content will be out, coming soon. Took a break from YouTube, but I'll be coming back soon. And yeah, enjoyed the festivities. Living life, beautiful breeze. Yeah, man, we do it. All day, every day, twice on Sundays. Life is good. Positivity for the world, motivation, understanding. Progress. Every day, boss up. For the fans, music will be coming soon. All I gotta do is go to the studio and drop something for you guys. You know what I'm saying? More gun videos will be coming soon. More guns videos, more shooting. I'm gonna drop a lot of content for you guys. I just gotta get in touch with a lot of people, and before I can network and post for you guys. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be doing a lot for you guys. So what I need you to do is like, comment, and subscribe. You know what the best channel is. DW Nation. We out.